Hi guys, today we're going to talk about parallel keys and relative keys. Parallel keys are a major and a minor scale which start and end on the same pitch. Relative keys share the same key signature but start and end on different pitches. So let's illustrate this idea. So here I've written the D major scale and marked the half steps where they occur. Below we're going to write the parallel minor key. So this is going to be D minor. And I'll show you how to do that from the major. So if we've written the parallel major key, D major, we're going to make 3 changes to make the minor key. We have to change 3 scale degrees, 3, 6, and 7, and we're going to lower all of these by a half step. So F sharp here becomes F natural. We don't really need to mark it, but I'll put it in there so you can see it. B becomes B flat. We do need to put that one in there. And then C sharp becomes C natural. So we can see, if we take a look and write our whole and half step pattern, where our half steps fall. Now, again, these are parallel because they start and end on the same note, D, even though we have different patterns that make them major and minor. Now let's write the relative minor key for D major. In order to find the relative minor, we need to start with the name of the major key signature, D, and walk down 3 half steps, D, D flat, C, B. So down here below, I've already written the key signature for D major, and I've written the notes from B to B. So this should be the B minor scale. Let's use the pattern that we just created above with our D minor scale to make sure that they match. So from B to C sharp is a whole step. C sharp to D is a half step. D to E is whole, E to F sharp is whole, F sharp to G is a half step, G to A is whole, and A to B is whole. So we can see that these 2 patterns match. They are both minor keys. But this is the relative key to D major because it has the same key signature, F sharp and C sharp. So if we look at the big picture here, we can see that the parallel major and minor keys, D major and D minor, start and end on the same note, but they have different patterns of whole and half steps, and they have different key signatures. Now, with the relative keys, D major to B minor, we can see that they share the same key signature, but they have different patterns of whole and half steps because they start and end in different places. B minor starts on B, D major starts on D. So even though they have the same collection of notes, because they start and end in different places, we create the pattern for a minor scale and for a major scale.